Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you guys how to make onion juice for hair growth. So far so good. Since December I've been trying to transition to a natural hair, and it's been good. I use natural things I can find in my kitchen to help my hair grow, and it's been working for me. So in this video I'm going to show you people how I use onion juice for a fast hair growth, and my hair is really telling the difference. So if you want to keep watching this video, do well to subscribe to my channel down here and like this video. So let us go ahead very quickly and let me show you how to make onion juice for fast hair growth. Onions contain sulfur, which helps regenerate hair follicles. It also helps minimize hair breakage and thinning. It's really good to improve your hair growth, and the antibacterial properties help fight dandruff. So first of all, we are going to cut the onion, remove the back, and we are going to cut it into small chunks so that it will help with blending. Then we'll go ahead and put it in a blender. You blend this until it's very smooth, but if you have a juicer you can just juice it and get your juice immediately. But if you have a blender, it's fine, you can do it this way. You can also use a grater to grate it if you don't have a blender. Then make sure you strain this from using a strainer, and you are going to make sure that you take away as much juice as possible from that pulp right there. This is our onion juice ready to go into the hair. Then you take a cotton wool and dab it into the onion juice and you rub it in your scalp. I'll show you how to do it just now. Watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't fail to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like if you like it, and I'll see you again in my next video.